Gold Pulse Expert Advisor version 1.96 for MT4 Unlimited just for $180 only. Right now you are watching this expert advisor on our official website uforex.org, but the market price of this product on MQL5's official website is huge. It's nearly $987 currently, and the next price is going to be $1,480. A huge amount just for one single expert advisor, but the Gold Pulse AI deserves it. I'm going to show you the review section, and you will see every single trader who have ever used this expert advisor has given it a 5-star rating and this much review. So right now I'm going to show you how much profit this expert advisor has given us. Low risk, the lot size is this. For every 1000, the balanced version of this performs through one symbol XAU USD. So this expert advisor has been tested on gold pair, and right here is the report that says our initial deposit amount is 10,000 USD, and upon that amount we have gained the total net profit amount, that is $43,149, where the gross profit amount is this, the gross loss amount is this, and with the maximal drop down is 3.19%. This is a very huge and handsome amount of profit that we have gained by using this expert advisor on gold with just 3.19% of maximal balance drawdown percentage. Let me show you another one, okay, where the initial deposit amount was same 10,000 USD, and here you can see high risk, the lot size and symbol was gold. The total net profit amount is $270,864.54 of profit, and here the maximal drawdown percentage is 0.22%. So you can see this expert advisor is worth the price. So if you want this same expert advisor from us, $180 only. So right here we have some key features that says minimum deposit amount is $250, but recommended is $1,000. Time frame, you can choose any. Currency pair is primary pair gold. Secondary pairs are all of these. You can check them. Strategy overview is given right here, and now I'm going to show you that if you want this expert advisor from us just for $180, how you can have it. So let's go to our official Telegram group, that is right here, our product Gold Pulse AI EA version 1.96 for MT4 Unlimited. This is the seller price, this is our price, and this is the product link of MQL5 that I have shown you before, and this is our instant downloading link. So please do download this product immediately after purchasing it, and you can use several payment methods that are given right here, like PayPal, BTC, LTC, any crypto, Binance, UPI, USDT, Skrill, and some more. So you can choose any on your preferences, and this is the instant downloading link. By clicking this link, you will be redirected to our official website uforex.org. So right here is our product. You can just click on that link, or else you can search on Google by typing uforex.org, and you will find this interface. This is our logo, and right here is our product. However, if you are a new customer, you can have some exciting rewards and discounts from us, and I'll be providing you 24/7 priority customer support along with full installation guidance of each and every single product of ours. So do visit our official website, and if you have any queries regarding this expert advisor, please feel free to connect with us on our Telegram channel uForex Premium. This is our new group. This is the link. This is the description section. Do join, and if you have any friend and loved one who is interested in trading, you can suggest them this group. So thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a like, share it, and subscribe our channel. I hope to see you for the next time. Until then, I wish you a happy and profitable gold trading journey. Thank you.